Every piece of clothing begins with a single cotton plant.
Modern harvesters collect thousands of kilograms with remarkable efficiency.
The harvested cotton is compressed for efficient transportation. Each module begins its journey to the textile factory.
The raw material now enters the heart of modern manufacturing.
Every delivery is carefully managed before production begins. The factory prepares every batch for processing.
Quality inspection begins long before production starts.
Automation prepares the fibers for their first transformation. Clean fibers are now ready to become the foundation of every fabric.
Carding aligns every fiber into a smooth and uniform web.
The loose web is condensed into a stronger, continuous strand.
Drawing improves strength and creates perfect fiber consistency.
Every stage is inspected before moving forward.
Roving prepares the fibers for final spinning.
Thousands of fibers unite into a single continuous thread.
Automation ensures every cone meets production standards.
Only flawless yarn continues to the next stage.
Precision logistics keep production moving without delay. The journey from fiber to fabric is ready to begin.
Every roll of fabric begins with perfectly aligned threads.
Modern weaving machines produce fabric with extraordinary precision.
Every meter is monitored before the next stage.
Inspection guarantees consistency before chemical treatment. Bleaching creates the perfect foundation for vibrant colors. Every fiber is carefully cleaned before coloring begins.
Advanced dyeing delivers uniform color across every thread.
Controlled drying locks color deep into the fabric.
Finishing gives the fabric its final strength and appearance. Precision begins long before the first cut is made.
Digital design ensures every garment is cut with absolute accuracy. Automation transforms fabric into perfectly shaped garment panels.
Organization keeps every production line running efficiently. Individual fabric panels begin their transformation into clothing.
Every seam contributes to the garment's final strength. Precision ensures every button fits perfectly. Precision ensures every button fits perfectly.
Automation guarantees speed without sacrificing quality.
From raw fabric, a complete garment is finally born.
Every garment must pass strict quality standards before reaching customers.
Even the smallest imperfections are carefully removed. Professional finishing gives every garment its premium appearance.
Automation creates perfectly consistent presentation. Every product receives secure protection before shipping.
efficient packing prepares thousands of garments for global delivery.
Automation keeps warehouse operations fast and accurate.
Finished garments now wait for customers around the world. Every shipment begins its journey to stores across the globe. And this is how modern factories produce high-quality clothing, from cotton to finished garments. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.